Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video talking about Midjourney. So in this video, we're going to talk about colours. So you can add different colours to your pictures that you want if you're looking for a certain theme or a certain mood. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use this. Let's have a look. So I'm going to use this prompt that we've done, and I'm going to come down here. So I'm going to use our Imagine. Okay, and I'm going to do this, but instead of the sunrise lighting, I'm going to say green and yellow. Amazing. Okay, so let's have a look. I am then going to do another one. So imagine prompt, and then I'm going to do a different one. So I'm going to do blue and white. And then why don't we try 3 colours instead of just the 2? So let's see, let's do blue, purple, and pink. Okay, and let's see what Midjourney creates for us. Cool, amazing. So Midjourney has finished creating us those images with the colours that we specified. And as you can see, we have got 3 really different feels for the pictures. So if we click on the first one, that's blue and white, it's got a really cool feel to it. And you could obviously even put some snow in there as well, if that's sort of, the vibe that you are wanting. If we click onto the green and yellow, it's so much sort of warmer, it's like daytime, nice and bright. And I think Midjourney's done such a smart job of incorporating those colours. In square 1, you can see it's even made the sky like a greeny bluey colour, tying it in, and then all the trees, everything it just looks brilliant. And then obviously in square 2, we have our blue sky back, but then we've got lovely uses of the green and yellow in the images. So yeah, I think they just look amazing. And then if we scroll down, we have got our 3 colours, so blue, purple and pink, which again, I love. And they just look amazing. Like, look at the quality of square 2, the lights, the colours, like, oh my goodness me. Square 1 and 2 are my absolute favourite. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel so much, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.